Hey guys, welcome to Ride with Technicals. In the previous video, we discussed about the types of trends and we also saw how to plot trend lines on charts. If you haven't seen the previous video, please go through it once before watching this. Today we will be seeing how to make long-term trades using trend lines. I will be sharing 25 plus charts and I will be showing you how easy it is to get a good buy price for a stock. So without wasting much time, we'll start with the first chart now. The first one on the screen is ITC Limited. The stock has respected its 25-year-old trend line for 3 times now. Long positions can be initiated with a small stop below the trend line. Next one is IndusInd Bank. The stock has corrected 88% from its high, but it's not the end of the stock. It continues to hold the trend line and long should be initiated at those levels. Next one up is Maruti Suzuki. Again same structure, long should be initiated near the trend line. Next is DCB Bank. The stock has broken its decade-year-old trend line and this stock needs to be avoided. Next one up is Reliance Industries, holding its 30-year-old trend line. Buy near support is recommended. Next is Godrej Consumer Products. Again same structure. Next is Magma Fincorp. The stock broke its 12-year-old trend line and is down 80% now. The stock should be avoided. Next one up is Havells India. The stock holds 20-year-old trend line. Keep adding longs near the trend lines. Next up is Atul Limited. The stock bounces sharply after hitting its 6-year-old trend line. Next is HDFC Bank. The stock holds its 25-year-old trend line. Buy near support is recommended. Next is ICICI Bank. The stock is again holding its 18-year-old trend line for the third time now. Next is Raymond. The stock broke its 10-year-old trend line and the stock declined 66%. Avoid the stock. Next one up is Lakshmi Machine Works. The stock gave brilliant returns in the past decade, but breaks its 18-year-old trend line and drops 60%. The stock is in avoid list. Next one up is NIIT Tech. The stock holds its 10-year-old trend line for the third time now. Longs to be initiated near the trend line. Next up is Titan. It also holds its 10-year-old trend line. Buy on all dips is recommended. Next is TVS Motors. It is holding its 10-year-old trend line. Long should be initiated near the trend line. Next is Deepak Nitrite. The stock hit its 7-year-old trend line and recently the stock slipped 50% and is back hitting new 52-week highs. The next 3 stocks have been correcting for some time now, but they are still bullish because they are holding above its long-term trend line. First one is Graphite. Second is Rain Industries. And third is Bharat Electronics. Hang on, I have a few more. Next one on the screen is National Peroxide. The stock manages to hold its 12-year-old trend line. Next one up is Bata. Now this stock is near its multi-year support and longs can be added currently. Next one is Siemens. Again a stock which is still near its multi-year support. Next one is InfoEdge. The stock recently hit its multi-year support and moved up sharply. Next is Blue Dart. The stock broke its long-term trend line and sell was triggered at 5500 levels and from there the stock has corrected 70%. Yes Bank. Best ever short triggered using long-term trend line. Exit alerted near 300 levels and from there the stock fell 98%. Next one up is IOC. The stock has recently breached its long-term trend line. The stock should be avoided as of now. The last one on your screen is SKF India. The stock recently tested its multi-year support and is just 300 rupees above its support. The stock can be added at all dips. And this is the list of the stocks covered in this video. So this is it for today. Please share your feedback in the comment section. If you want to stay updated with charts and would like to solve your own queries, you can join my Telegram group, Ride with Technicals. You can find the link of the group in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you have learned something watching this, please stay updated with this channel for further learnings. Thank you.